So, Cloud Farm Wallet is basically a Telegram-based platform that claims you can grow a virtual farm, complete tasks, invite friends, and earn USDT rewards. Its Telegram bot is currently active and advertises hundreds of thousands of users. But here's what the marketing doesn't really emphasize. Earning a balance inside an app is very different from proving that you can reliably withdraw real cryptocurrency. Some promotional posts claim successful withdrawals, while other users and similar cloud mining apps have reported extremely high withdrawal thresholds or problems actually cashing out. I'd also be careful with the referral system. Cloud Farm promotes rewards for inviting other people, which means a significant part of the growth model appears to depend on users bringing in more users. So, should you use Cloud Farm Wallet? I'd be cautious. Don't deposit money or provide sensitive wallet information simply because the app shows a growing USDT balance. Overall, if you're interested, treat it as a high-risk rewards platform rather than guaranteed crypto income. The most important test is whether you can successfully withdraw your earnings without paying unexpected fees or completing questionable requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.